When a customer is shopping, they want to understand a product's features and see it in action before they buy. A shoppable video, also known as detail page video, helps them see how your product works, what it looks like, and even how it sounds. A video can give customers a better sense of your product's size and weight. It can provide customers with information that images or descriptions alone can't convey. For example, a toy with moving parts can be demonstrated in a video so customers understand how it works. This could improve customers' likelihood of purchasing your product, potentially increasing your sales. It may also help reduce customer returns. Good product videos anticipate what your customers may want to know about your product. They address customer questions and help build trust. Videos can be instructional, informational, or demonstrate product use. Your videos should be high resolution, product-focused, concise, and authentic. You can upload an existing video from your library or create a new one. You can add one or more videos to your product detail pages. If you upload multiple videos, ensure each one follows the community guidelines and serves a distinct purpose. Your video will appear alongside your product images on the product detail page. It may also appear below the fold, in search results, and throughout the Amazon shopping journey.